How's it going, everyone? Dante here from Frank's Outdoors. Next up, we're going to be talking about the Neko Rig. Almost the same thing as a wacky rig, but there's just going to be a weight in one end. So you're going to take your Senko. Here at Frank's Outdoors, we have over 50 different colors. Slide in your wacky rig tool. Put your O-ring on it. Next, you're going to take your Neko hook, put it through the worm underneath the O-ring. And then you're going to take your Neko weight, which is just kind of like a nail almost, and put it through one end of the Senko. Now when this is in the water, it's going to make that end with the weight in it die down a little bit more, making it think like this worm is digging in something in the dirt. So come on down to Frank's, we'll get you rigged up. Here we have over 200 different types of bulk plastics, and we'll see you soon.